You start your very first workout, thinking real results will take months, maybe even longer to appear. But inside your body, something begins to change almost instantly in ways you cannot see yet. Within just a few minutes, your muscles activate under stress, responding to tension, adapting slowly, fiber by fiber. And microscopic changes already begin forming, deep inside your muscle tissue, beyond what your eyes can detect. Even though you see nothing in the mirror yet, your body is already adapting, preparing itself for growth. And what's happening right now, at this exact moment, is far more powerful than most people ever realize. Day 1 begins with resistance, controlled tension against your muscles, and your muscle fibers begin to experience tiny, microscopic tears. These micro tears may sound harmful at first, but they are actually the foundation of how muscle is built. Because your body responds immediately, triggering repair systems, rebuilding stronger than before. At the same time, your nervous system becomes highly active, recruiting more muscle fibers than it normally would. This is why you suddenly feel stronger, even after just one session, even though visible muscle hasn't appeared yet. And this is where everything starts to change. By day 2, moving into day 3, soreness begins to build deep inside your muscle tissue, especially in areas you trained hardest. This sensation is known as delayed onset muscle soreness, or what most people call DOMS. Inside your body, inflammation begins to increase gradually, sending nutrients, signals, and repair cells to damaged fibers. Blood flow rises significantly in those areas, delivering oxygen, amino acids, and essential nutrients. And slowly, your muscles begin rebuilding themselves, stronger, thicker, and more resilient than before. But here's the problem most people ignore. Without enough protein in your system, this entire rebuilding process becomes slower and less effective. Your muscles struggle to repair properly, and progress becomes delayed, sometimes completely stalled. That's why nutrition becomes critical, especially during these early stages of training. By day 5, something interesting begins to happen. Your coordination improves in a noticeable way. Movements feel smoother, more controlled, more natural. This is your brain adapting in real time, improving communication between your nerves and muscles. This process is called neuromuscular adaptation, and it's one of the fastest improvements your body makes. And this is the part most people never see. By day 7, your endurance starts to increase. You can push slightly longer without feeling exhausted. Your recovery between sets becomes faster, more efficient, allowing you to train harder with less rest. Blood circulation improves throughout your entire body, fueling your muscles continuously with oxygen and nutrients. At the same time, your metabolism begins to rise slowly, burning more energy even while your body is at rest. By day 10, your muscles begin to look slightly fuller, not just stronger, but visibly more expanded under your skin. This is mainly due to glycogen storage inside the muscles, along with increased water retention within muscle cells. You may notice subtle visual changes in the mirror yet, but internally, your strength is improving even more rapidly. And this is only the beginning of the transformation, so don't stop here, keep going, because the real changes are coming.